Howdy, y'all. Welcome back to another episode. Today, I'm going to rant a little bit. Potato cakes. Potato cakes. I haven't forgiven Arby's for discontinuing tater cakes some time ago. They brought them back for a limited time, although if people go nuts and buy the heck out of them, they'll, I'm sure, put them back on the regular menu. To me, they're best with some Arby sauce and horsey sauce and maybe some other pepper sauce and their green sauce, whatever it is. Something's not quite right. Maybe the grease is clean. They've changed something. Anyway, I had to go back to Arby's. This is the Arby's in Roosevelt, Utah. It took forever to get my order, and no surprise, I've been to the Taco Bell here, and the service was terrible. I had to try the Cheez-It Crunch Wrap because I love Cheez-Its. Oops, sorry. And I had to know. Look at that, there's a kind of Jamocha, or whatever it is, one of their shakes. Not bad. Haven't had a shake in forever. Oh, their tacos at the Taco Bell had like teeny tiny bit of meat, and that was it. I don't know if that was the help. Probably management trying to be cheap. We've stopped at the the I-80 truck stop in Iowa, 80 truck stop off of I-80 in Iowa. I probably couldn't have figured that out, huh? The Taco Bell there was even worse. They just kind of waved the meat sauce over the shell, and that had to be management because they were all like that. I do like the truck stop. It's fun to walk around, people watch, get your exercise. You never know what you'll see, and it's in the middle of nowhere, so it's a nice stop. But the Taco Bell sucks. Anyway, here, I've only been to a couple of fast food places. I try to avoid them. The service has been terrible. Granted, Energy is the main employer, and trucking and energy trucking, and so ambitious people are out hustling and making serious money. I was one of those 20 years ago when I was here, till I got knocked up, an oil rig, and broke parts of my body. Luckily there was a mountain there to catch my fall. Anyway, and then on the opposite end of the spectrum is fast food, and you get what you pay for. In between, there's a lot of good people, cashiering and waitressing, and support jobs, but yeah, not impressed with fast food out here at all. Now, mom and pop restaurants have been awesome so far, but I've been careful where I've eaten. Anyway, this was supposed to be all about potato cakes. When they're cold now, because I ranted too long about the health. One more rant, and I'm gonna do a separate video probably. One of the restaurants near here is excellent, but they've added like a 3.5% surcharge to your check, and that's just low down, dirty, stinking, low down. I hate you for doing it. Just if your cost has gone up, raise your prices so I know what I'm paying. Don't sneak this little crappy surcharge, even if it's legal. It's a terrible thing to do, and I immensely dislike you for it. Potato cakes, eh. They're a little smaller too, I think. And I think they changed something. Or my nostalgia has changed the taste on me. I don't know. Disappointing a little bit. Anyway, that's all we got today. Ranting about fast food and employees and surcharges and my tater cakes. Well, you got what you paid for, and you're getting this for free, so you got a free money's worth of content. Thanks for watching anyway, and we'll see you next time. Bye!